In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Mozilla Firefox and then make sure you are connected to the internet. Hover to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, also called as the menu button, and then go to the settings. Now here, all I have to do is very simple. Click the search tab on the left side area of the navigation, and as you can see right now, my default search engine is Google. All I have to do is click the drop down menu and select any of the following. Say you wanted to use Bing, DuckDuckGo, Perplexity, Wikipedia, it's up to you. Let's say we're gonna use Perplexity. Now after doing so, Perplexity will be the automatic default search engine when you type in. As you can see, their logo has changed. Now you can simply type anything here. For example, let's say this one. So the search engine is basically Perplexity from now on. Even right here. It's automatic. You see? The logo has changed, and basically that's how you change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.